Today you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new chain mechanism supplied by Lovelight. Quick Blind 101. To get you familiar with our product, here is a chain tensioner, chain mechanism, and a pin end, or idle end of the blind. Unscrew the chain tensioner from the wall, then release and unclip the chain. Release the pin end of the blind by compressing the pin. Then remove the blind from the bracket and place gently on the floor. Remove the existing chain from the blind and replace it with the new chain mechanism supplied by Lovelight. Now your blind is ready to be reinstalled. Replace your blind by clicking it back into the bracket. If required, re-secure the chain tensioner. Well done! You have successfully reinstalled your blind. For more information, please visit our website lovelight.com.au.